Model, 70-plate Citroen Relay 35L2H2 Enterprise Blue 2.2 HDIS, S starts drives needs injector replacing VAT inclusive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 96,318. MOT, the 15th of December 2025. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 4 replacing, check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, 2 keys, sat nav, cruise control, air con, electric windows.